What's going on with you guys? Welcome to another episode of Quick Learn. And in today's episode, I will teach you how to use affiliate marketing on Amazon to Linktree. So this one is pretty easy. So let's get it started. So first of all, in order to use affiliate links on Amazon, you would need to be a approved Amazon associate user on Amazon. So if you don't have a Amazon associate account, you can just create it. It's fast and easy. And after you create an account right here, will show you this page. And what you can do is to use a site stripe. So don't worry, you can see it right here on the tool site stripe. And as soon as you made a Amazon associate account, you already have sites right activated. So this one is automatically added to your Amazon account. And when you go back to Amazon.com, you will see on the home page there will be a site stripe on the top left right there. So this is the function you need to get affiliate links on Amazon. So let's go back to Amazon.com right here. As you can see, the site stripe is already activated, and now I can choose a product to promote. Especially if you have your own product, it's better. So choose a product to promote. So for me, I'm going to choose cabinet. Going to choose a random cabinet and get its affiliate link. So right here, choose this, and in order to get the link, just click this text right here on the top part and copy this link. So this is the link of this product right here. What you can do is to copy it on my Discord channel, and I will open it on my cell phone right here. I'm going to copy the Amazon link and go back to my Linktree application, go back to homepage, add a new link, paste the URL of the Amazon link. And after that, just click this arrow right here. Also, I can just rename it. Just click the Amazon.com and I can rename it based on the cabinet name. That's it. I can click enter. After that, just click share right here and click your personal link of your link tree and open it on your cell phone or laptop or whatever gadget you're using. And after you're open the link, it will show your link tree. You can just click the Amazon link right here on the first link and it will redirect me to this page, and that's it. That's how you promote products on Amazon using Linktree. And also that's it for today's episode. If you want more to this channel, please like this video, click the notification bell, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.